Hey there, William Fletcher here, and in this video what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through how I would take my brand new 21-day online business launch PLR package and turn that into a premium high price product or membership, and I'm going to show you exactly what I would do step by step. So we're just going to dive in. So on the screen I'm in the back end of my WordPress dashboard here because I want to show you guys some stuff, and then I also have the download files for the PLR package. So you'll see the front end components here, and then I also got the platinum package here, which I want to show you guys some things from this that you could use as well. So let's dive in. So the first thing that I always look at when I get a PLR product obviously is the quality. Now obviously in this case I created it, so I know this is a really good quality stuff. But if this was somebody else's that I bought, I would certainly look at the quality first, and make sure this is something that's usable for me. And the way that I love to use PLR and what I think it should be used for is to kind of take it as a foundation of something awesome. So if you read my email, you probably know that what a lot of people do is they'll buy a PLR package, they'll use it as is, and they'll throw it on their website and put a $7 price tag on it. Well, in my opinion, that's not a great way to maximize the value and really using PLR the right way. So that's what I'm demonstrating in this video. What I think you should do is you should download the package, right? You should go through it, make sure it's good stuff, and then you're going to repurpose it, put it in a new format, and turn it into a premium evergreen product that you can continue to earn from for a very long time. So we have the front end components here, so let's go in there. So the first thing I'm going to look at here is the ebook workbook. All right, and pull this up here so we can look at that, and I'm going to pull it up in Word, and we're going to be pasting some things into WordPress, all that kind of good stuff. So I want to open up the source file. Okay, so we have the source file here. So the first thing that I would do, and this product right here is basically a 21-day program that shows them step by step how to set up an online business from start to finish, everything they need to do to set up an online business, right? So what I would probably do with this, there's a couple things I would do. I would potentially set it up as an online challenge where, for 21 days they're going to get lessons. I would probably add a Facebook group to that for accountability and answer any questions that they have. Basically all the instructions are here for what they need to do for the 21 days, and then your Facebook group will be there to just encourage people, making sure that you're holding them accountable. Hey, did you do today's lesson? Do you have any questions? That kind of stuff, and just answering their questions. And now you turned a simple PLR product into a high value challenge that you can charge a nice premium price for. So that's one way I would probably use this. Another way, with the particular content that I have here, this would be a great foundational program, for your coaching program, right? So, as an internet marketer, maybe you have an IM coaching program where you show them various things to do to earn money online. Well, this right here shows them how to get started, how to set up the foundation. So this could be the, one of the foundational components of your coaching program. So what I'm going to show you today will apply to that as well. Or, on the same token, it can be used to be the foundation of an online internet marketing membership. So you can use this a number of different ways, but I'm going to show you what I would do. So instead of taking this and selling it as an ebook, what I would do is I would take this and I would repurpose this into an actual online program. So what I'm going to do is let's see. So the first thing I'll do is I'm just going to create a new page. I'm not going to show you, me setting up all 21 lessons. You'll get the idea after a couple. So I'm just going to do add new page, and I'm going to call this test so I know to go back and delete this later, but test, and we will do, so I'm going to copy that. So test 21-day online business launch introduction. Okay. All right, and I'm going to go back to the ebook here. And let's see, so I'm going to grab all this text. And sometimes pasting from a document to WordPress can get kind of messy. I'm going to see what it does, but we may have to go a different route here. So I'm going to copy that and try pasting it in just to see what it does here. And it actually didn't do too bad, it just added some extra spaces, so I'm just going to get rid of those. Alright, get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that. Alright, so we have that, and let's see. So that's it for that lesson. So what I'm going to do is, before I finish this page, I'm going to go back. And guys, obviously you wouldn't put test in your page names, but I'm doing it so I know to go back and delete these. Launch dashboard. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to create a dashboard page that would serve as like the main download page, or the main dashboard page, or the membership home page if you're doing it as a membership. So I'm going to create that, and we'll just do publish that. Alright, and I want to grab this link. So I'm opening that up in a new browser, and nothing on this page as of right now. And I actually did that as a post, and I meant to do it as a page. So let me go back real quick. Pages, add new, test, 21-day online business launch dashboard. And let's publish that. Alright, so we have that. I have to redo that one too because I did it as a post. Should have done it as a page. Alright, so we have our dashboard page there. So now I'm going to go back and add lesson 1. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard, do page add new, and I'm going to paste this link so I don't lose it. And what we will do is go back to our ebook and copy that info again, fix the spaces, alright, we got all that. And then what I would do down here at the bottom of each page is just do back to members dashboard, and copy that link and put that there. Alright, so that after they finish the lesson, they can go right back to the members dashboard. Alright, cool. So just need to title this. So test 21-day online business launch introduction. Publish that. Alright, so now we have our first lesson page here. Alright, and let's go back to the ebook here. Yep. Alright. So we'll copy that, and now what I want to do is go back to the dashboard page that I set up. So we're going to edit this page, and we can put welcome to the 21-day online business launch program. Alright, access your lessons below. Introduction. And I'm going to link that to the introduction lesson. Now we got that there. So I'm going to update that and leave this open. Alright, and then I'm going to go to Pages, Add New. And now I'm just going to grab the next lesson. Alright, so day 1, choose a profitable niche. So, and again, I'm putting test before everything so I can go back and delete this. Test day 1, choose a profitable niche. If I wanted to, let me see if I can, I don't know if Word lets you grab the image from here. Let me see. Yes, so save as picture. So I right click the image so I could save it as a picture, and I'm just going to save it to the desktop here and hit save. And now if I wanted to, I could upload that file right in here just to give it a little nicer look. So I'll put that in here. Alright, insert that into the page. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the Word document. And let's see. And we're going to copy the day 1 content. And I'm not sure if it'll paste those images over right from this copy, so we'll see. We may have to add the images after. So I'm going to paste that in. Alright, so back this up. Clean up my spaces here, just like we did with the other one. Just doing that. Alright. Alright, so we have all this. Yeah, and it took away my screenshots, so we'll have to add those in. And this takes a little bit, guys, but it'll be well worth your time by doing it like this. Alright, so you have that. Alright, and now let's go back and let's grab our images. So, all that's fine. And save as picture. Save it to desktop. Name it picture 2. And then we got this one. Save that. Picture 3. Alright, so the first one goes under see the screenshot below. So scroll up here. Alright, and put that image here. We got that. And the next image goes here. So I'm going to grab that from the desktop. And insert that into the page. Alright, cool. So now we got that. So this lesson is almost done. Just remember we want to add our link here for the dashboard page. Back to dashboard and put a link there. And now I'm going to publish this page and view the page. So this is what this page looks like. So everything looks great there. Alright, so now we can copy this link and go back to our dashboard page. And actually, before we copy that link, I'm going to copy this heading here, come over and paste this. And I went to the text HTML editor so that way it didn't bring over the formatting when I pasted. So now what I'll do is, now I will grab that link and update that. Now obviously you would want to go through each one of these and update all 21 lessons. So that's the first thing I would do. So I would take this, I would set up a page for each one of the lessons, and then update the dashboard page with all of those links once you got it set up. Alright, now that's going to take you some time, but like I said, you're going to be able to charge a premium price for this when you're done. It's not an ebook, it's going to be a premium product, right? So you'll see this is what your dashboard page will look like, and once you have all lessons loaded here, it's going to link up to every single lesson, and when they go to a lesson, they'll be able to go through the lesson, and then at the bottom there's going to be action steps for them, and then boom, when they're done they can go back to the dashboard and then go to the next lesson. Now if you really wanted to get a little bit more fancy with it, you could even set up a previous and next button here that takes them back and forth from one lesson to the other, if you want to get a little bit more advanced with it. So that's the first thing I would do. Now, in this case, if you bought the platinum package, now what you could also do is you could do a couple things. So let me pull up the platinum package here. All right, and so we'll go back here and we'll open this up. And so this one comes with the video course. So another thing that you could do is you could take the videos included and now update these pages with the video. So let me show you what that would look like. So let me try to log into YouTube here so I can load this up and show you how it would work. Let's see. Alright, so I'm going to click on this and upload a video. Alright, and I'm going to make this unlisted because I don't want the public to find this. This will be just for your customers. So I'll go to desktop here and this and go into the video course, and I will upload both of these videos here. And I'm going to pause the video here, and then once these are done, I'll unpause it. Alright, so both videos have finished uploading. So what I'm going to do now is grab the embed code. So just on the YouTube page for the introduction video that I just uploaded, so I'm going to click on share here and embed, and I'm going to copy the code here and then go back to, let's see, go to the introduction lesson, and I'm going to edit this page. And now what I can do is put this video, actually I want to go to the text editor here and put the video code there, and we got that. And now let me update this page and take a look. Alright, so now we have a nice looking video course here, and I will do that for the second video as well. So share, embed, copy that code, and then let's see, go so now I'm going to go back to the dashboard here and go to day 1, choosing a profitable niche, and I'm going to edit this page, and I will take that embed code and put it just below the image. View that, hit update, and then check out this page. And now I got the video in there, and then I got all the supporting text. So now I've created a nice multimedia lesson for this. Alright, so the next thing I would do is once I get all lessons loaded and then all the links put on the dashboard here, I would go back to my PLR package and see what else I got. All right, so um, now we've used the videos. You could add in the audios. Like if you wanted to, really make this awesome, at the bottom you could add a link, say, download the audio for, listening, anywhere when you're on the go, something like that. You can have a little text that says that, and then link up to the audio. Let's see what else we got here. We're not talking about sales materials yet, so we don't need all that. And the course worksheet. So this would be really cool. And again, you got to have the platinum package to have this. But what you could do is you could take this course worksheet. So what I'll do is I'm going to go to my WordPress dashboard. I'm going to go to Media. I'm going to go to Add New. I'm going to select the file, and I'm going to go grab that, let's see, course worksheet, and I'll upload the PDF to my media folder. I'm going to click on Edit, and I'm going to grab the link. All right, and then what I'll do is go back to my dashboard here. So I'm going to edit this, and obviously you would have all your lessons listed here, but I'm going to put course worksheet. All right, so they could follow along with the course worksheet as they complete the steps. And actually what we'll do is we'll put download the course worksheet, update, and what I'm going to do is I'll actually move this up here, and I'll make a little note that says be sure to download and follow along with the course worksheet as worksheet as you complete the lessons. And I'll paste that link there. So now that's there. We have the worksheet. Now, another thing that I wanted to mention is if you have the platinum version, what you can also do is you have the course customizer kit. All right, so what this does is I actually give you all the slides. So let me update this and show you the page. All right, so we'll go to the day one lesson just so you can see it as an example. Well, if you wanted to rebrand this in your voice, so it's not my voice in these videos, well, all you do, you come over here to your course customizer kit, and you go to the product materials, and you grab the slides for the program. And you could open this up and record it in PDF. You could do it in Keynote, PowerPoint, whichever you want to use. But now what you could do is you could go through and record each one of these lessons in your voice, and now you've totally taken this PLR and you branded it to you. So now the videos are in your voice, it's on your website, and you could even go through and completely change all this, right? You could edit the slides, get rid of my logo, put your branding in it, all that kind of stuff. So and then after you record those, you put your videos in, and now it's completely, rebranded to you. You got your brand name on it, it's got your voice on it, and now you got this high value multimedia course on your website that you can charge a premium price for. Now, another cool thing about the course customizer kit is I give you all the marketing material. So let's say you don't want to use the HTML mini site that I created that sells this product and sets up the whole funnel. Well, you don't have to. You could come here, you could grab the sales copy Word document and put it in Optimize Press or ClickFunnels or whatever page builder tool that you're using. Same with all the thank you pages, the squeeze pages, you can do that as well. And then I also give you the VSL presentation slides that you could open up and you could re-record the VSL in your own voice. So now you got that, and that's rebranded to you as well. You just go through, update the slides, put in your product image, all that kind of stuff, and you're ready to go. So a lot that you can do with this, guys. But the cool thing about this is once you get this done, this is much more than an ebook. When someone logs in, you could have this behind the members area. I just posted on just normal pages, so you'll see like I got like recent posts over here. But if you set this up on a standalone members area, you could have the links to each lesson in the sidebar if you wanted to, or categories, that kind of stuff. And then you would have this nice members dashboard all set up. Every page has the video lesson. It has the text for the lesson, and then, like I said, you can even embed the audio files, just to really over deliver. And then if you wanted to make this even more valuable, you could have a link on here that says join the customers only Facebook group, and you set up a Facebook group for everybody that's a member of this program, and now you've just even upped the value level even more, and how much you can even charge for this a lot more. So a lot that you guys can do with this program. I hope you see the value in this. It's much more valuable than just selling the ebook for $7 on your website. You could turn this into a premium price product, and you can do it pretty quick. And this is exactly how I use PLR. I never take a PLR ebook and just throw it up for sale and do it that way. I use it as a research tool. I use it as an outlining tool and a foundation, and then I take that PLR and I create a really amazing program out of it. Now, obviously, in this case, I created the content, so I didn't feel the need to go in and edit it, but you could go in and edit this content too as you go through here. Add in your own examples, add in things that you know from your own business. Maybe you even have some certain things that you've created content on. So maybe you're in this day one lesson, and maybe you have a video about choosing a niche that you could add in here as supplemental content. That's what I'm talking about. You could take this PLR, use it as a foundation, and really build something big out of it. So I hope you enjoyed this training. Thank you so much again for being a customer, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.